Damaged hair can be frustrating, leaving your strands looking lifeless, dry, and brittle. But don't worry, there are shampoos specifically formulated to repair and rejuvenate your hair, restoring its natural shine and strength. In today's video, we're reviewing the best shampoos for damaged hair, highlighting top picks that cater to repair and shine. Whether you're struggling with split ends, dryness, or breakage, there's a product here for you. Let's dive into the reviews. Number 1. L'Oreal Elvive Total Repair 5. L'Oreal Elvive Total Repair 5 is a powerhouse shampoo designed for multi-targeted hair restoration. Its sleek, golden bottle radiates sophistication and promises premium care at an affordable price. The formulation is enriched with protein and ceramide, working to repair the 5 visible signs of hair damage: split ends, weakness, roughness, dullness, and dehydration. This shampoo lavers luxuriously, delivering deep cleansing without stripping natural oils. Its thick, creamy texture glides through your hair, ensuring even application and efficient penetration of the repair formula. Whether you've been dealing with heat damage, chemical treatments, or environmental stresses, this product tackles them head-on. The inclusion of ceramide works to rebuild the hair's structure, while proteins strengthen from within. Over time, you'll notice an improvement in hair resilience and smoothness. Additionally, the shampoo has a pleasant floral fragrance that lingers, leaving your hair smelling fresh and revitalized throughout the day. Durability is a key benefit, as this formula protects against future damage, making it an excellent long-term solution for damaged hair. When paired with its matching conditioner, it maximizes the repair process, delivering soft, shiny, and manageable hair that looks and feels brand new.
Still wasting money on ads that get ignored? Let influencers tell your story. Promotional Pack connects your e-com brand to the right niche influencer to reach your target audience. Get more sales with less spent. Link in description.
Number 2. Monday Repair Shampoo and Conditioner. Monday Repair Shampoo and Conditioner combines high performance and aesthetic appeal with its minimalist pastel pink bottles. It's an affordable salon-quality product specifically formulated to repair dry and damaged hair. The formula features keratin, coconut oil, shea butter, and vitamin E, which work together to target damage while promoting hydration and nourishment. Upon use, the shampoo produces a rich, creamy lather that thoroughly cleanses the scalp and strands without causing dryness. The keratin rebuilds the hair's internal structure, making it stronger and more elastic. Coconut oil and shea butter deeply moisturize, locking in hydration and reducing breakage. What sets Monday apart is its focus on sustainability. Its cruelty-free and paraben-free formula ensures a gentle yet effective wash, making it suitable for sensitive scalps and color-treated hair. The recyclable packaging adds to its appeal, reflecting the brand's eco-friendly ethos. Durability is a highlight, as regular use creates a protective layer around each strand, shielding your hair from daily wear and tear. When paired with a matching conditioner, it amplifies the repair process, leaving your hair noticeably softer, sheenier, and healthier. Monday Repair Shampoo is a chic and reliable choice for reviving damaged hair. Number 3. TIGI Bed Head Resurrection. TIGI Bed Head Resurrection Shampoo is an intense repair solution for hair that has seen better days. Its vibrant red bottle grabs attention, and the formula within is just as powerful. Designed for chemically treated and severely damaged hair, this shampoo is infused with the resurrection plant, a desert botanical known for its ability to thrive in harsh conditions. Its creamy consistency creates a luxurious lather that penetrates deep into each strand, repairing structural damage and restoring elasticity. The formula contains active conditioning agents that smooth the hair cuticle, reducing frizz and leaving your hair shiny and manageable. TIGI Bed Head Resurrection doesn't just repair damage, it also prevents future harm by forming a protective barrier around your hair. This makes it more resistant to heat styling, environmental stresses, and daily wear. Over time, you'll notice significantly less breakage and split ends. The shampoo's invigorating tropical fragrance enhances your hair care routine, making it feel like a spa experience. Paired with its conditioner, it forms a powerful duo that transforms brittle, lifeless strands into silky, resilient locks. For those in need of serious hair rehab, TIGI Head Resurrection is a must-try. Number 4. SheaMoisture Intensive Hydration. SheaMoisture Intensive Hydration Shampoo is a deeply nourishing option for those battling dryness and damage. Its earthy design with a brown and gold label reflects its natural and wholesome ingredients. Formulated with manuka honey, mafira oil, and fig extract, this shampoo prioritizes moisture restoration and repair. The sulfate-free formula is ideal for curly, coily, and textured hair types prone to dryness. Its rich, creamy texture creates a luxurious lather that removes impurities while delivering intense hydration to every strand. Manuka honey provides a natural humectant effect, drawing moisture into the hair, while mafira oil restores softness and elasticity. What sets SheaMoisture apart is its dedication to ethical sourcing. The ingredients are sustainably harvested, and the brand supports fair trade, adding an extra layer of feel-good to your purchase. Durability is another strength, as this shampoo helps retain moisture for days, leaving your hair soft, manageable, and frizz-free. It's an eco-friendly, deeply hydrating solution that transforms dry, brittle strands into luscious, healthy locks. Number 5. OGX Argan Oil of Morocco. OGX Renewing Argan Oil of Morocco Shampoo is a luxurious choice for restoring damaged hair. The striking turquoise bottle reflects its hydrating and rejuvenating capabilities. Infused with argan oil sourced directly from Morocco, this shampoo repairs and strengthens hair from the inside out. The formula lathers richly, effectively cleansing while leaving your hair soft and silky. Argan oil deeply penetrates the hair shaft, restoring moisture and elasticity. This reduces breakage, split ends, and overall dryness, leaving your hair healthier and more resilient. OGX paraben-free and sulfate-free formulation is gentle enough for all hair types, including color-treated and chemically processed strands. The shampoo's light floral fragrance adds a spa-like touch, enhancing your hair care routine. With consistent use, OGX Argan Oil of Morocco Shampoo restores natural shine, smoothness, and vitality, making your hair easier to style. It's an affordable yet premium quality solution for damaged hair in need of TLC. Number 6. Nexxus Keraphix ProteinFusion. Nexxus Keraphix ProteinFusion Shampoo is a saline-inspired solution for repairing severely damaged hair. The sleek black and silver bottle signals its premium quality. Enriched with keratin protein and black rice, this shampoo targets deep structural repair. The formula produces a velvety lather that thoroughly cleanses while infusing your hair with essential proteins. Keratin fortifies the hair shaft, repairing damage and improving elasticity, while black rice delivers antioxidants and nutrients to promote overall health. Nexxus Keraphix is silicone-free, ensuring a lightweight formula that doesn't weigh your hair down. This makes it perfect for achieving bouncy, full-bodied locks. Its advanced formulation also protects your hair from future damage, maintaining softness and shine over time. Paired with a conditioner, Nexxus Keraphix creates a transformative routine for brittle, damaged hair, leaving it smooth, resilient, and radiant. Number 7. Wella Invigo Nutri-Enrich. Wella Invigo Nutri-Enrich Shampoo is a deeply nourishing option that revitalizes dry and damaged hair. The vibrant orange bottle reflects its energizing and restorative properties. Enriched with goji berry, vitamin E, and oleic acid, this shampoo provides intense hydration and nutrients. The creamy texture lathers easily, enveloping each strand in a nutrient-rich formula. Goji berry, known for its high vitamin content, rejuvenates hair, while vitamin E shields against environmental stress. Oleic acid ensures lasting moisture, keeping your hair soft and manageable. Over time, you'll notice a significant improvement in hair texture, strength, and overall health. Its lightweight nature ensures a fresh, clean feel after every wash. For those struggling with dryness and dullness, Wella Invigo Nutri-Enrich shampoo is a luxurious and effective choice that restores shine and vitality. Damaged hair doesn't have to be a permanent problem. With the right shampoo, you can repair, hydrate, and rejuvenate your strands, leaving them soft, shiny, and full of life. From intense hydration to advanced protein formulations, these shampoos cater to all your repair needs. Try one today and enjoy your hair's transformation.